Hey guys, welcome back to Game On Fit, your home of everything health and fitness. But today, it's not about health or fitness, it's about lighting. Every content creator needs good lighting to get that best shot, to get their best focus side. So I went ahead and got me some softbox lights, and we're gonna be unboxing that today. So stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. So here I got my softbox lights, still in the box. I didn't want to open it, I wanted to do this with you guys, you know, so we're gonna get this open. I think I'm gonna need something to open this.
A few moments later.
We're just gonna open it, see what's inside, set it up, and see how it works, okay? Here we have some protected packaging, boom, and a box inside of a box. So and these are, let me clear my counter off so you guys can see. These are from ESDDI. These lights are from ESDDI. You can see the model number if anyone decide they want to try these lights out. Let's open this box up. See what's in there. Okay. Manual. Nobody reads the manual. I ain't even gonna read the manual. We have one package, two package. These feels like they should be the bulbs. Boom. Boom, right there. Alright, so these are what comes in the box. Let's start opening them up and see if we can put them together. See what they look like after we're done. So here we have the stand. So we should have two softbox, two LED bulbs, two diffusers, and two stands. This is one of the stands right here. This is the other stand. One diffuser. One thingamabob or thingamajig. I don't know what it is. Oh, this is where you put your bulbs, I guess. Right in there. Can you see? Yeah, good. So apparently when you're setting this up, you push this thing back, all the way back, and it just snaps in place like that. So that's one. You screw your bulb right in here. That's if you can see what I'm doing. All right, looks good. I like it. It's not too big, it's not too small. Let's put that one over there. Open up the other one. Another diffuser. So that's two diffusers right there. Pretty easy, pretty cool. We're gonna put this one over here. We're gonna go ahead and put our bulbs in. That's that right there. So this is what this looks like. Let me get this knife out of the way before I impale myself. Second bulb, second light. I'm doing it this way so you guys can see, you know, in case somebody want to figure out how to put this together. Yeah, you can refer to this video. Cleaning up as I go along so everything don't get clustered. You know, I'm gonna add my diffusers. Boom, bang, bang. There we go. Figure out how we put this on. All right. Let's put this here. You can see. All right, that's not how this goes. And I don't know. So, oh, no, I got it. You gotta turn this right side in, like so. Boom. I'm doing this live on camera, guys. I've never installed this before, so I don't know what to expect. I'm just freehanding it. You know, some people do it first and then come back and do it again. I'm just freehanding this on camera. I'm learning as I go, you know, so yeah, you flip it around so it looks like this. All right, let's see if this works. Stick that bad boy on there. Let's move these out the way so I can get some more room. That bad boy on there, stick that on there. Stick that side on. That side on in. We're looking good. That's one down, one to go. All right, I'm gonna have to move this to the side so I get some more room to do the other one. All right. Next up, as you can also see, guys, when I move around, my camera gets dark. So this is also one of the reasons I need this diffuser light. When you have good lighting, you don't have to do as much editing on the video or as much light and color correction on your footage, you know. You just have that natural looking light. All right, let's put this in here. Boom. Put that on there. Stick that to the side. That's the side. Boom. Number 2 is all done. You know, it's not difficult. You just have to be mindful of what you're doing, you know. Now, we are going to plug this up and see how the lighting effect is. If it does it look better, Should look better. Hopefully it looks better. All right. And move this aside so you guys can see what I'm doing. Boom. And there's a neck right here that you can unscrew and fold down or fold up. Depends on what you're doing with your light. Right here. Unscrew that. Put that to the side. Get my legs out. These legs are not bad. They're not the best or they're not the best or the most sturdy, but it will work for this type of light if I can figure out how to get this sucker up. Okay, there we go. Open it up like that, right? Tighten it up so it doesn't fall back down. Be careful how you tighten this because it seems like this is like not all that strong. For somebody who is strong, they might break the bolt. So let's do that. There's a neck right here that you get to move up and down like so. Yeah. So this on the ground. Tighten up the neck on your diffuser box. Put that on there. All right, so I'm going to set this first one to see what difference the lighting does. I'm done installing. This is what it looks like. Boom. It's relatively light, so it's not bad to move around. So I'm gonna plug this up and see what's the difference. Turn it on, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so now we have everything set up and done. I think the footage is looking a little bit better. I think the color is popping. I have one softbox light on the right. I have one softbox light on the left, and I'm away from the wall, so that shadow casting that people normally get when they stand next to a wall is not happening. I have my ring light on my camera, and relatively, I think it's looking good. What do you think? I think the color is right. I think the shades are correct. Side view, front view, arm view. Yeah, I think it's good. I'm going to turn it off right now and show you guys what it looks like without the lights, and turn it back on just so you can see what it looks like with the lights. So this is what it looks like with just my ring light on my camera. You can see that it's a little bit dark. It's darker than when the softbox lights is on. So I think the softbox lights is the way to go. I'm gonna turn it back on so you can see the difference. And here we go. Everything is looking all lit. I like it. I'm gonna be working with it all the time. And there you have it, guys. I've got one softbox on the right, one softbox on the left, my ring light on my camera, giving me great lighting. Thank you guys for sticking around. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to know more details about these lights, please leave a comment in the comment box, and I will see you on the next video.